His two-word ancient prayer is my everyday go-to mantra for manifesting my dream life. I have been on the journey of manifestation for at least 5 years now, and the magic that this two-word manifestation mantra has brought is completely life-changing. In manifestation, the most important thing is consistency rather than the technique itself. In fact, consistency is vital for achieving success in life. If you want a healthy body, be consistent in your workout. If you wish to succeed, be consistent in your passion or work. Literally, in everything, being consistent will lead you to a great life. I feel like I've gone off topic, but my point is that to manifest your dream life, you need to be consistent with any of the techniques you have been using. This two-word manifestation technique is very easy to practice every day, anywhere, and at any time. Now, without further delay, let's get started with the video. I want you to take some time and smile, just a small one, and take a deep breath in and out. This is the moment your consciousness shifts. This is the video that will transform your life forever. Neville Goddard put it beautifully. I am is the self-definition of the absolute, the foundation on which everything rests. I am is the first cause, the substance, the definition of God. The Bible tells us that first was the Word, and the Word is I am. This is true for your life too, consciously or unconsciously. I am is the foundation of all external circumstances. Light is consciousness itself, defined and manifested through I am. Now let me share my story with you. There was a time years ago when I was in a miserable condition. No matter how much effort I put in, everything seemed to fail. Every effort I made seemed to end in failure. I kept thinking, this isn't working. You can't create your reality. Then I attended a seminar where Bob Proctor was speaking. That moment was a game changer for me. See, God loves you, blesses you, and prospers your life, but God gives us free will, waiting for us to direct our consciousness through our I am statements. Now is the time to take control. I used to say, I'm too young, or explain my age. I'm just a 23-year-old trying to make it. Bob's words struck me. It doesn't matter if you're 20, 40, or 60. Start saying, I am financially free and living my dream life. He made me realize I needed to change my self-perception and use I am in a positive way. He told me, don't come back for another session until you stop saying you're too young. That was a big aha moment for me. It wasn't just about feeling better. My whole self-image changed. I stopped making excuses for why things weren't working because I stopped saying, I am too young, or I am limited because of this. Neville Goddard said, I am is that which, amid numbered forms, is ever the same. This discovery of cause reveals that, good or bad, we are the masters of our own fate, and it is our concept of ourselves that determines the world we live in. So I simply started saying, I am successful. I am living my dream life. And guess what? Things began to change. This simple shift in thinking made all the difference. Remember, the words I am are powerful. Use them wisely to shape your reality. What I found after using Bob's I am technique is that it directs your self-concept. Whether you believe you're someone who's not good with numbers, someone who struggles with public speaking, someone who can't achieve financial freedom, or someone rich, productive, with a great memory who attracts perfect relationships and uplifting people, it all comes down to how you use the I am statement. As Neville Goddard said, if your concept of yourself were different, everything in your life would change. You might think you're not good with numbers, not good at public speaking, unable to make more money, unproductive, too busy, or even unlovable. All these beliefs may have come from your past experiences, but it's you who carries them forward through the conscious and subconscious use of the I am statement. Just know, your life will never be the same. Think about what can happen in your life if it happened to me. Be realistic. Expect miracles. When you become realistic, you realize you're supposed to make 6 or 7 figures, be super productive, excel in your endeavors, and attract amazing people. So basically, in this two-word manifestation, you get into a comfortable position, close your eyes, and as you breathe in and out, silently or out loud, repeat to yourself, I am, I am, I am. Neville says this is usually accompanied by a feeling of expansion, like you're growing. Your energy, your consciousness is growing, and you're becoming more aware of this spiritual energy. Don't be afraid. Courage is necessary. You're not going to die, but your former limitations will, because they only live in your consciousness. See, words can change and shape your reality, and this simple, powerful technique will attract miracles. Your self-image boosts, and your self-esteem expands from zero to confidence. Once you feel that nameless energy and enter a heightened state of consciousness, it's time to harness your desire with the I am statement. Start by saying, I am that I am. Then declare your goal. For example, say, I am a millionaire. I am that I am making more money every day. For health, you might say, I am in perfect health. God's energy restores every cell in my body. I am vibrating in perfect health. I am energized. All my organs, my blood, everything is vibrating in perfect harmony with health. I am energized. You can tailor this to anything. For love, say, I am pure love and attracting a divine romantic relationship into my life. Or, I surround myself with people who encourage me to reach my goals. Just add I am at the beginning of any desire or affirmation you want, and be it. However, you need to say it consciously, with full faith in every word that's coming out of your mouth. When you go deep and expand your consciousness, you'll find yourself to be a power you had never dreamed of before. The only thing you need in life is to change your mindset. That's it. To make your new mindset stick, repeat your I am statement in this heightened state of awareness and visualize it. Keep repeating, I am financially free and living my dream life. Throughout your day, I would picture myself achieving financial freedom, traveling the world, enjoying my dream home, and getting messages from people inspired by my journey. This solidified my new self-concept, creating a clear mental picture. You'll know you're done when you feel an energy shift, which might take 2, 3, or 5 minutes. Repeat I am until you feel the shift in your energy and your mental energy disassociates from the constant chatter of your thoughts. Remember, earlier in this video, I said how important consistency is. Well, this technique only requires 2 to 5 minutes daily for 21 days, or until you feel settled in this new state of consciousness. If you find it difficult, you can repeat the affirmation I personally like to use when I don't have something specific to manifest. So go ahead and give it a shot. Stay open-minded. Remember, everything in life is temporary. Nothing stays the same forever. Here is a powerful prayer to start your day with, designed to uplift your spirit and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Say it in the morning when you wake up and at night before you go to sleep. Once you have it memorized, you can use it throughout the day whenever you feel the need to realign your thoughts and energy. Whenever I notice negative thoughts creeping in, I switch to this prayer. From the light of God that I am. From the love of God that I am. From the power of God that I am. From the heart of God that I am. As you recite these words, create a space between them, allowing yourself to fully enter the spirit of each phrase. Feel the vibration of the words as they resonate within you, lifting your awareness and connecting you to the divine energy of God or Spirit. This connection will help you tap into a profound, nameless energy that has the power to transform your reality. As you practice this regularly, you'll notice that this energy begins to guide and direct your life, helping you manifest your desires quickly and powerfully. Embrace this practice with an open heart and watch how it leads to remarkable changes in your life, bringing clarity, purpose, and a deeper sense of peace. If you enjoyed this video and love Neville, comment below. I love Neville. Try this technique and let me know your results. It's designed to replace old I am statements and program your subconscious mind to attract success and prosperity.